This is Tony with Rainbow Restoration of Dickinson, here to provide you another Rainbow Restoration insight. Today we're going to do a quick video on mold prevention. So 3 quick tips. Number 1, keep your AC running, especially during the summer. Its job is to pull humidity out of the air. So you want to prevent mold, keep the humidity down, right? Because humidity needs water or moisture to grow. Number 2, any problems that come up with water intrusion, address them immediately. You have a short window, maybe 24 to 72 hours before mold will grow, and the quicker you take care of and mitigate your problems, the better off you're going to be to prevent that mold growth. Remember, mold doesn't grow if you remove the environmental materials that facilitate mold growth. Number 3, contact a professional. We here at Rainbow Restoration of Dickinson are licensed in the state of Texas and certified to handle your mold remediation needs and water damage mitigation. And remember, bring in a professional in that knows how to address the problem before it becomes a bigger problem, helps to prevent that secondary damage. So that's tip number 3. Thank you guys. We appreciate you. We value you. We hope to see you again in a future episode.